Hey designers! Let's create morph effect in After Effects. Let's make a circle first. Click on the anchor point tool by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard to make the anchor point come in the center. We'll make another shape now. Make sure no layer is selected. Align it vertically and horizontally. Let's make one more shape. Make a polygon here. Align it. Let's rename these shapes. Circle. Star. Polygon. Go to First Properties. Ellipse 1. Click on Ellipse Path 1 and select. Convert to Bezier path. Go to Path. Click on the path clock. Move the payhead to the 10th frame. Open Polygon Properties. Polygon 1. Right-click. Convert to Bezier path. Go to Path. Select it and press Ctrl-C to copy the path. Come back to the circle properties. Select the path. Press Ctrl-V to paste it here. Adjust the shape position. Align it. Now close the polygon properties. Go to the star options now. Right-click and convert to Bezier path. Select the path and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Move the playhead to the 20th frame. Press Ctrl-V to paste it here. Align it. Hide the star and the polygon layer. To adjust the speed, hold the Alt key while moving the keyframes. Select keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Go to the graph editor. Adjust the graph like this. Turn on the motion blur. Our animation is done. Like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel.